Now, it's easy for me to say lose weight. It's hard to do it. There's been some recent neuroscientific investigations of that, and they've actually pinpointed some of the brain regions that are involved in this process. So if you're successful, if I'm successful in avoiding this beautiful piece of chocolate cake, it's my dorsolateral prefrontal cortex that's telling me, Gary, don't eat that cake. I know it looks good, don't eat it. But then there's a part of my brain just above my eyes, the orbital frontal cortex, that's saying, eat the cake, eat the cake. So it's kind of a battle of the brain that goes on. But what's even more important, when people are successful in dieting, it's hard in the beginning, it gets easier with time. When they check their brains out, there's actually alterations in their neural function. So you actually change your brain as a result of being successful on a diet. There's some other interesting, surprising things about the brain and weight loss. If we have time, we can talk about it during the Q&A period. So while we're on food, let's talk about alcohol and wine in moderation. It's associated with a lower risk for Alzheimer's disease. So people often ask, well, how much is a glass of wine? Is it like this? Well, it's more like this. And we're not sure why it is. It may be that people who drink in moderation are just more laid back. Or it could be something in the alcohol. In wine is a chemical called resveratrol. And in animal studies, it has anti-aging effects. So scientists have extracted the resveratrol from the wine, but we're not sure it gets into the brain. We're not sure it passes the blood-brain barrier. So anybody here who's taking resveratrol capsules, make sure you wash them down with a nice Bordeaux, just to be safe.